Hello, people in YouTube. My name is Priest 122, as everyone should know. Um, I've been tagged to do a 5 fact train, tell 5 facts about myself. So, here we go. First fact: I'm the nicest person you'll ever meet. If you ever meet me on the street or something, yeah, on the street or something, you'll know who I am. Yeah. Second fact: uh, I'm a very caring person. If you're going through something and tell me, I try to help you through it or something like that. My fourth fact: uh, I don't discriminate who my friends are. Yeah, I think it's my God. I'm lost. I know another fact is I don't want to keep going. Another fact is I love to go bowling. Bowling is my passion, and yeah. And another fact: I love all types of music. Music moves my soul in many different ways and forms of fashion. Music keeps me from getting angry or sad or anything. It calms me down when I'm pissed off at something. So yeah, I think that's been 5 facts. So all right.